no room for racism. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be restoring slash upgrading an old Acer laptop. So let's get into this video. For this restoration I have a small backstory, a funny one actually. Last week I took an effort to leave my RGB cave again and went to my grandparents' house. To take a week off of the social media, of these online classes, I started to vomit to see my computer screen. So when I went there, I watched plenty of sports actually. I watched MotoGP, F1, as well as seeing my club getting slapped by Benfica. Depressed Barca fan again. While this stuff all happening, I have a small hobby to repairing these kinds of computers slash laptops. So there's a laptop at my grandparents' house which is working quite fine, except Windows started to not launching any apps on that thing. It was using Windows XP, I guess, on that Acer laptop, and it wasn't launching anytime soon. So my uncle told me to repair it, reformat it, and put a new Windows on it, and adding some additional accessory stuff. Okay, first off, we need to remove the battery from the laptop, and sadly I forgot to remove the battery from the laptop, which is a very dangerous thing. Always remove your laptop battery before repairing or do some cleaning stuff. So after me not removing the laptop's battery, I open up the back tray. At the back tray they have two long screws. Always keep the screws in touch actually. You can lose the screws very easily. So you keep the screws kept organized. After removing the screws, I can see some stuff gone missing, like the Wi-Fi card, and there were an additional empty RAM slot. For this build, I took the hard drive out, or took the RAM out, then I cleaned off the side of the motherboard because there were a lot of dust actually. After cleaning it up, I took the hard drive and put Windows 10 on it as my uncle told me, and I add two additional stuff. One is in a 4 gigs of DDR3 laptop RAM as well as a mini PCIe Wi-Fi card. After putting those things, I assemble it, and this assembly process was quite an annoying one because the hard drive case actually, when you remove it, it's quite fine, but when you screw it down again, it's a frustrating process, and you just need to be patient about screwing it every tiny pieces. Okay, after putting in everything, I went for full clean actually. I went for fully clean. I cleaned it off actually, not fully clean. I cleaned off the Acer or an Asus. I forgot what laptop was it, but I think it was Acer or Asus because the logo had an A. After that, I cleaned the laptop with sanitizer slash sticker remover because there were so many stickers in front of the laptop. So I clean it off and sanitize it. Always sanitize your laptop actually, but don't just soak it on sanitize. Just have a small tissue, put it some sanitizer, and just wipe it in, because every laptop keyboard has so many germs, and you can discover new coronaviruses. Oh, what world we are living in. Okay, after cleaning it down, and I have my thoughts about the laptop. The laptop is so much premium, and I'm telling you, I've used many laptops. Not much laptops came to the premium level of this, but this laptop actually isn't that great. Actually, it has a Pentium processor and a GT 610 mobile GPU, which is not too great for performance. 6 gigs of RAM and a hard drive actually, and the performance aren't good, but the build quality is fantastic. Like, you can open the hinge by one hand. I mean one hand though. That features only comes with premium laptops, and not much laptops can't open with one hand. Okay, second of all, the screen is fine. It has a resolution of 1666 by 768. The screen resolution not much great, but it can get bright enough to see outdoors, and the keyboard is phenomenal actually. You could type all day, you can type as much as documents you want to do, because the keyboard, it has some nice travels in, it has some nice tactiles in, and luckily I cleaned that keyboard. Like I'm telling you guys, always clean your keyboard. Any kind of keyboard, like laptop keyboard or a desktop keyboard, just clean it in, because you don't know what kind of stuff you touch in your hands. Okay, this laptop restoration isn't a deep read through because I'm not a professional. Actually, I didn't change any thermal paste on this thing. Plus the cooling temperature, because of the temperatures on the CPU and the GPU is quite fine actually. It was hovering around like 70 degrees when it's on load, but overall it was quite fine. We can use by Word documents and watch YouTube. Watching YouTube on the thing is a breeze because of the GT610. Anyways, that's been it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what video should I put next. And don't worry guys, the shorts are coming soon, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy.